Welcome to our startup guide for the 1.6 kVA Suitcase generator. This generator packs a punch for its size and is perfect for those family camping trips. Safety is important to us at HSS, and making sure you have the proper safety equipment is a must. We recommend using ear protection and gloves with this generator. Start by turning on the fuel tank cap vent lever on top of the generator. If you're starting the generator from cold, next turn the large round switch to choke. Next, make sure the ESC throttle is switched off. Now it's time to start the generator. Pull the starter grip lightly until you'll feel some pullback, then give it a sharp pull. You should hear the generator fire up. Leave the engine to warm for a couple of minutes, then turn the large round switch to the on position. Thanks for checking out our Suitcase generator startup guide. If you need any help ordering online, our support team are ready to chat with you. And please don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram, and have a good day.